Have you ever wondered what the world would be like without certain species? It's a question that may be more relevant today than ever before. As we speak, a staggering number of over 41,000 species teeter on the brink of extinction. The loss of these creatures carries more weight than just their absence. It threatens to topple the delicate balance of our global ecosystem. This is because every organism, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the complex, interlinked web of life we call biodiversity. And when one species disappears, it triggers a ripple effect that can shake the entire system. Now we're about to embark on a journey to understand the plight of 10 of the world's most endangered animals. Starting our journey, we meet the Javan rhino and the Amur leopard. The Javan rhino, a rare and elusive creature, resides in the dense lowland rainforests of Indonesia. Its thick gray skin forms a protective armor, and its singular horn, a coveted prize for poachers. A victim of relentless hunting and habitat loss, it is now one of the most endangered large mammals on Earth, with fewer than 70 individuals left in the wild. Turning our attention to the cold, snowy landscapes of Russia's Far East, we find the Amur leopard. Known for its strikingly beautiful thick coat, this big cat is incredibly well adapted to the harsh winters of its habitat. Despite its resilience, the Amur leopard faces dire threats. Poaching for its spectacular fur and loss of prey due to illegal hunting have pushed this leopard to the brink of extinction, with less than 100 left in the wild. As we lose these creatures, we lose an irreplaceable part of our planet's rich biodiversity. Next, we venture to meet the Sunda island tiger and the mountain gorilla. The Sunda island tiger, a majestic creature with a fiery spirit, is native to the Indonesian Sunda Islands. This magnificent feline exhibits a unique set of stripes, like a fingerprint, setting each tiger apart from the rest. However, their habitats are shrinking due to human encroachment and deforestation, pushing them closer to extinction. On the other hand, the mountain gorilla, a gentle giant dwelling in the misty forests of Central Africa, is one of our closest relatives, sharing more than 98% of our DNA. These sociable primates live in close-knit groups, communicating through an intriguing array of sounds and gestures. Sadly, their survival is threatened by habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict, with fewer than 1,000 left in the wild. These two species, each unique and irreplaceable, are teetering on the brink of extinction. The disappearance of these creatures represents a loss that we can hardly fathom. Continuing our journey, we encounter the Tapanuli orangutan and the Yangi Finless porpoise. The Tapanuli orangutan, found only in the high-altitude forests of Indonesia, is a distinct species with a population of less than 800. This elusive primate is under constant threat due to habitat loss from deforestation and human activities. On the other side of the continent, we find the Yangi Finless porpoise, a unique species that, true to its name, lacks a dorsal fin. This aquatic mammal, native to the Yangtze River, has seen its numbers dwindle to fewer than 2,000 due to pollution, overfishing, and habitat loss. These remarkable creatures, each with their own unique characteristics and roles in their ecosystems, are facing unprecedented threats. The loss of the Tapanuli orangutan and the Yangi Finless porpoise would not only mean the disappearance of two extraordinary species, but also a significant disruption in the ecosystems they inhabit. Each endangered species we lose signifies a disruption in the intricate balance of life. Lastly, we meet the black rhino, the African forest elephant, and the Sumatran orangutan. Each of these creatures holds a unique place in the grand tapestry of life. The black rhino, a remarkable species that has roamed the earth for millions of years, is now on the brink of extinction due to relentless poaching for its valued horn. Next, let's walk through the dense forests of Africa, home to the African forest elephant. These majestic creatures are smaller than their savanna cousins, but their role in shaping the forest's ecology is colossal. Tragically, they face severe threats from habitat loss and illegal ivory trade. Finally, we swing over to the lush rainforests of Sumatra to meet the Sumatran orangutan. With their expressive faces and intelligent minds, they are the gardeners of the forest, dispersing seeds as they move. But these gentle apes are losing their homes due to deforestation and illegal hunting. With each species we lose, a piece of our world's natural heritage disappears. Our journey ends here, but the fight for these endangered species is far from over. The veil of extinction looms over 41,000 species, a chilling testament to our footprint on this earth. It's not a lost cause, however. Conservation efforts are already in motion, striving to turn the tide. The fate of these creatures rests not just with organizations, but with each and every one of us. By supporting these efforts, we can make a difference. We can be the change. Take a stand for these creatures. Support conservation efforts. Together, we can ensure that these species do not vanish from our planet forever.